Hello. In this video, we are going to see how using cinemas we can visualize forces on a calculated structure from the output. And in this tutorial, I'm going to consider a calculation performed using VASP code. So let's start about it. We can start by importing an already performed calculation. We will import the folder into cinemas as a workflow. So we can import it by using the import menu and by selecting the option from directory, and we have to just point to the location of that folder, and you see it is imported as a workflow. Now what you have to do is just switch to cinemas view, which is the atomic visualizer in cinemas, and you see that the structure appears properly. Now, in order to visualize the forces, let's go to force view category. Let's expand the category and just check the option show. And immediately you see that cinemas reads the OUTCAR from the folder we just imported, and it shows the shows the force vector represented by these arrows. Now let's just go to general settings. Let's apply some anti-aliasing. Let's choose a better shading so that our display looks better. Now let's go back to the forces again. Also, if you double click any arrow, you will see that cinemas reads the forces from the OUTCAR file and displays the value also here. You can select any arrow and you will see the value of the forces. Now you see that there are many other options on the right side. So you can change the color of the selection. So earlier we saw that after selecting, the color of the arrow was red. Now it is green. Also, you can apply appearance settings with respect to a particular atom. Now in this tutorial, my structure contains only one atom, that is chromium. However, if a structure contains multiple atoms, you will see a list of atoms here. And for a selected atom, you can apply these appearance settings. So these settings are self-explanatory. You can scale these arrows, or you can change the radius of these arrows if you want, or you can increase the tip length if you like. And then you can also change the color of these arrows. Now let's assume that the graphics which we are seeing on our screen right now, this has to be used to prepare a figure for maybe a presentation, maybe for a publication or something like that. What can we do is just by so let's first reposition it in a way so that all the arrows are visible nicely, and let's just by a single click, let's just export it to Cinemas Draw, and you can see that the graphics which we're seeing on the screen has been exported to Cinemas Draw. By using the rubber band selection, you can just select any partial piece from this graphics and you can just crop it. Let's just increase the size of the canvas a little bit. If you want, you can further reposition your image, and let me just add some text. So let's just say forces visualized from Cinemas view. Let's go to style options and apply some more settings. Let's apply some shadow. Let's smoothen the shadow, and let's make the corners round a little bit. And if you like, you can increase the size of the text, and this can be repositioned. Once you think that your figure is prepared, you can export it into several file formats. Cinemas provides you two file formats, PNG and JPG, for raster images, and three formats, PDF, PS and EPS, for vector images. And for raster images, if you select PNG, and let's just give any name, ABC123, and if you click save, you can even scale your figure up to 30 times. So in this tutorial, I have explained you how you can visualize forces directly from your calculation files without any reformatting into Cinemas using Cinemas View in Cinemas. Cinemas View is the atomic visualizer in Cinemas. Thank you so much for your attention.